Bricks Website Builder Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how simple website creation can be in 2025. Bricks Website Builder offers a modern, drag-and-drop platform, but is it right for your project? Bricks allows users to design fully customizable websites without coding, offering pre-made templates, responsive layouts, and integrated hosting. The surprising truth is speed. Most people get this wrong by thinking building a website takes technical expertise. With Bricks, a polished site can be live within hours. Another advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you realize you can adjust designs freely, create dynamic content, and integrate e-commerce features for online stores. It's ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and creative projects. However, cons exist. Bricks may have a learning curve for complete beginners, especially with advanced customization. Some integrations, like third-party plugins or payment gateways, may require additional setup. Support is primarily digital, which may not suit everyone. In conclusion, Bricks Website Builder is perfect for 2025 users who want creative control, speed, and a versatile platform for websites. It's user-friendly yet powerful, balancing design freedom with simplicity. For highly specialized or enterprise-level needs, other platforms may be better, but Bricks is a strong choice for most small to medium projects.